In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check in QuickBooks Online quickly and efficiently. Whether you're managing your finances for personal use or running the books for a business, it's important to handle transactions accurately. Voiding a check isn't just about removing an expense, it's about keeping your records clean and organized for future reference. So, let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online login page. You can simply visit https://qbo.intuit.com and sign in using your credentials. This will take you to your QuickBooks Online dashboard, your home base for all financial activities. From the dashboard, you'll need to navigate to the Expenses or Transactions menu. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a menu bar. Here, you can click either Expenses or Transactions. Both options will take you to the section where you can manage everything related to your expenditures, including the checks you've issued. Once you're in the Expenses or Transactions section, the next step is to find the specific check you'd like to void. You can either scroll through your list or, if you have many transactions, use the search feature to quickly locate the check. This is handy if you remember any particular detail about the check, such as the date or the amount. Now that you've successfully located the check, click on it to view the full details. This action opens up a new window displaying all information associated with that particular transaction. It's always a good idea to double check to ensure that this is indeed the correct check you wish to void, protecting you from making changes to the wrong transaction. Once you've verified the check details and you're certain this is the one to void, look towards the bottom of the check window where you'll see the More option. Click on More and a small menu will appear. From there, choose Void. This is an important step as it's where you officially initiate the voiding process. QuickBooks will then ask for your confirmation to proceed with voiding the check. Simply click Yes or Confirm to complete the action. This confirmation step is crucial as it acts as a safeguard against accidental voids, and just like that, the check is voided. When a check is voided in QuickBooks, its amount is recorded as $0. However, the record of the transaction remains in your accounts, providing a detailed history without affecting your financial books inaccurately. This is particularly helpful for audits or end-of-year financial reports. This process not only declutters your finances, but also ensures transparency and accountability in your records. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances with ease using QuickBooks Online.